In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Today we have a topic: how to connect your Android phone to your laptop using Chrome. Okay, let's start. First of all, you need to add an app from Chrome Web Store, and here's the procedure. You can see that I have added my Chrome, and now I'm trying to find the devices, but I found that there is no display for that because I am using Windows 10, so universal ADB driver needed for that purposes. So here I am installing these drivers. Okay, let's loading these drivers. Okay, it's loaded. So now I'm trying to find my device, mobile device. It's showing, so check is suggesting that check it out. USB debugging is activated on your mobile by developer mode. If because this is the other procedure how to activate the developer mode. Go to the settings of your mobile and activate the developer mode, and then use USB debugging checkbox. Okay, now you can see the view of that mobile on your screen, and this is the whole procedure. It's very simple and very easy. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.